Our Reset detoxification protocol contains a 100% natural formula developed from fruits, vegetables, herbs, mushrooms, algae, and other plant-based ingredients sourced from organic farms. Our formula has been designed and created by expert doctors and biochemists with over 40 years of experience in the field of human body detoxification. Its aim and purpose: to quickly and effectively eliminate excess toxicity from the body, with a special focus on expelling the hardened layer of fecal matter adhered to the intestinal walls. The effectiveness of our protocol is 100% guaranteed, thanks to the potency and concentration of the enzymes. Each product undergoes a fermentation process of up to 3 years across 4 distinct phases, using 14 Japanese patents, ultimately creating formulas designed with a very specific goal: to eliminate intestinal toxicity. The way enzymes function within our body is by activating processes that trigger deep autophagy, initiating the breakdown of stagnant food waste in the digestive tract. This continues with the larger solid compounds and, progressively, over the following 24 hours, works to detach the calcified fecal layer and excess intestinal mucus stuck to the intestinal walls. Once we eliminate this viscous layer and dissolve and release the calcified stools, which may harbor harmful bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. For the first time in a long while, we give our body and immune system the chance to regenerate and establish a new baseline.